Your morning news now. Police say the mayor of South Korean capital Seoul is missing after leaving a verbal message that his daughter described as sounding like a will. Police officers say they are searching for Mayor Park Won-soon at a small neighborhood where his mobile phone was last detected. An activist and human rights lawyer, Park became the city's first mayor to be voted into a third term. He was also a potential presidential candidate in 2022 polls. One person is dead, another two are hospitalized after tornadoes brought strong winds through rural areas in central Minnesota. Here's footage of a tornado captured in Ashby, Minnesota last night, about an hour east of St. Cloud. The National Weather Service says 3 farmsteads were hit and one of those farmhouses was flattened. The tornado is believed to be at least the EF3 category, with winds of 136 to 165 miles per hour.
And today is an alert day for our area. We do have the potential for strong to severe storms any time of day today. We have some storms rolling through the region this morning. Not seeing any severe weather with those, but the potential is there both this morning, this afternoon, and this evening. We could see damaging winds, large hail, and some heavy downpours.
Terrible decisions will have to be made about who receives care and who does not.
Texas physicians are warning that residents must take action to prevent the spread of coronavirus, or hospitals will soon run out of personnel, supplies, and beds. 3 million Americans have confirmed cases of COVID-19. That's less than a month after passing the 2 million mark. In Oklahoma, Tulsa health officials believe President Trump's indoor rally is partly to blame for a spike in cases. The White House is claiming that kids will be back in school at the end of the summer against advice from the Centers for Disease Control. President Trump added that he would defund schools that do not fully open on time. The CDC has given mixed messages until now, saying that while it is important for kids to learn in a classroom, virtual classes are a better way to prevent the spread. La Crosse County is seeing a slight uptick in cases, with 15 new ones compared to 12 on Tuesday. It brings the total amount of cases to 536. 188 of those are still considered active. Despite this uptick, the Cooley Compass has moved La Crosse County out of severe risk down to high risk. There's a new initiative that's inviting La Crosse County businesses to check the spread. This collaboration is asking area businesses to protect their customers and employees with some simple steps that include employee mask requirements, monitoring COVID-19 symptoms, and increasing sanitation practices. The initiative is a way for people to interpret and apply the best practices to prevent the spread. La Crosse County health leaders say the city can require people to wear masks. The health department would work with cities throughout the county to help issue requirements and guidelines, and the county would pass an ordinance that would cover unincorporated areas. However, leaders say it should not take an order for people to wear masks. The installation of solar panels is underway at the Boys and Girls Club's Terry Erickson location in La Crosse. The panels, which are thanks to an anonymous donor, will help the club save as much as $10,000 a year on energy costs. The project is scheduled to be completed by tomorrow.
Come here, puppy. Come here, puppers.
2 dogs are lucky to be alive thanks to a few Caledonia officers who saved them from a burning Racine home. Caledonia Canine Officer Corey Radke and his partner Lou were on their way home Monday when they saw smoke in the sky. They arrived at a nearby home with flames shooting through the roof. Radke kicked in the side door to the garage, making his way through the room, calling out for the dogs. The canine officer found Diesel parked on the couch. Firefighters later found another dog, Fido, hiding under a bed.
Well, today is an alert day. We do have scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region this morning, and then that will continue on and off throughout the day today. It's not going to be a complete washout, but make sure to check the radar if you want to spend some time outside today. But it's an alert day because some of those storms could be strong to severe. The main threats with any of those storms would be large hail, damaging winds, and some heavy downpours.
Have a great Thursday. Thanks so much for sharing your morning with us. We're going to send you now to CBS This Morning, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow morning.